Welcome! In front of me I have Google Pixel Watch and I'm gonna show you how to update applications on this device. Before we start, if you want to update applications on this watch, you will need to have the internet connection on your watch, and also you will need to have the Google account added to your watch so you can use the Google Play Store. Once you have the internet connection and the Google account on your watch, we can continue. And first thing you will need to do is to wake up the screen on your watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button or by tapping on the screen. Once you wake up the screen, press the crown button to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the Play Store icon and tap on it to enter the Google Play Store. In the Play Store, you should see this page, the home page of the Play Store. Now you can scroll down through this page, scroll to the bottom of this page basically, and find the option called Manage Apps, and tap on it. And here we can see the available updates for our applications. As you can see, we have 19 of them, and we can scroll down and see the list of applications we can update. Now find the application you want to update and tap on it, and then tap on this big old update button. And the update will start downloading. And once it's done updating, you will see the open button, and if you go back to the updates available list, it will have one less. And you can also tap on the update all button to queue all of the applications on this list to update, but I'm not gonna do that because it's gonna take a while. Okay. And once you're done, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you update the applications on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.